I'm Andrew Jones, Utility Systems Supervisor over the Excavations Division of the Water and Sewer Department in Hendersonville. This project we got going on tonight is just a small sample of a bigger project we got going on, which is a fire hydrant replacement project, which is got a lot of old fire hydrants that just need to be upgraded and changed out. Over the next several months, we'll be completing this hydrant replacement project. But what we're doing in particular here tonight is mainly just cutting in the isolation valves for lessen the impact of future shutdowns in this area. We do water and sewer. We got both projects going on here tonight. We're replacing the sewer service and we're cutting in 2 isolation valves for the future. These isolation valves here are actually going to help us replace 4 different hydrants.